Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to request a refund through Bright. Do you need to get your money back for a mistaken charge or cancel service? Here's how to request a refund through Bright step by step. First step, open the Bright app and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, tap your profile icon. Go to help and support and then tap on payments and transactions. Now choose request a refund. You're going to see your recent transactions, tap on the one that you want to dispute, and then select request refunds and choose a reason from the list. You have reasons like duplicate charge, service not received, incorrect amount, or unauthorized transaction. Provide any supporting details or upload a screenshot if needed. You can also just tap submit request when it's done. Bright support team will review your claim and usually respond within 5 to 7 business days. You're going to be notified via push or email once your refund is processed. Easy, transparent, and reliable. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Bright support walkthroughs that put your money back where it belongs. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.